Okay, I am going to show you how to duplicate a Google site for a distance learning plan. So first of all, I have went ahead and I put kind of a template for a Google site in our special education shared drive. So within our shared drive, then there's the special education. And then if you scroll down to COVID-19 resources, you will see here there's something or a folder or a file, excuse me, called Template Individual Learning Google Site. So if I open this, you'll see that this is just a template. So this is something that you all can edit and make somewhat individualized for either a group of students or a student. What I'm just going to start by showing you is simply how to duplicate the site so that you can individualize it for your students. So once I'm in my site, I'm going to come up here to my three little dots, and I'm going to just tap on duplicate site. Okay, and here I'm going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call it Larissa's Google site. And here, I don't want this to remain in this COVID-19 resources. So I'm going to go ahead and change the location of this, and I'm going to put it in my own drive. So I'm just going to say my drive, and if you have a specific folder in here, you can throw it in there or just move it into your drive. And then I just say duplicate. So now I have a duplicated Google site that I can work from. And when I go back to my own drive, I then should have a copy. Here it is, Larissa's Google site. So here's my duplicated copy of my Google site, and now I can go ahead and individualize this for my student. Thanks.